Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can hold an item at Fedex location. So I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step procedure on how you can do it. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions guide. So in order to hold an item at Fedex location or your desired location, so what you can do is you need to go to the tracking page. For that, open up your web browser and then on the search box type in the link, that is www.fedex.com/tracking. Once you type in the link, next interface, click on login to track. After that, you'll need to enter in your user ID and a password. Once you've done that, next interface you'll be asked to enter in the tracking number or the reference number, and you'll need to select manage delivery. Once you've selected it, after you click on manage delivery, then you need to click on hold at location. From the option provided, you need to choose where you want to request a package to be sent. You can also search for the participating location near you. In this way, you can hold an item at Fedex location. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.